Hey Nicole, how you doing? Got your work up here. Thank you so much. Okay, so I don't think this one is working. I think it's too angular. I think there's too much peculiar white space, specifically up through here, and then over here creates these kind of little angles that I think they're very, very distracting. I don't think this is as strong. I think putting the fraction in the circle is really, really a cool idea. And the reason I say that is because you can extract the actual mark itself, and you can extract the words, the word mark as well as the mark, and you can use them separately. For example, in your portfolio, you could maybe just take the mark alone and put it down in the corner of each page, just to remind the viewer of what they're looking at. Conversely, you could take this logo and fit it in areas, this word mark. This would be called a word mark because it's a logo based on words. So the point I'm trying to make is that you can separate these and really double the versatility of your logo. The one thing I'm seeing as this kind of being like resting on a pinhead because of this triangle here. And a lot of students, if you go through the discussion board, you'll see a lot of the students are doing the same thing. And it creates this triangle, and it almost gives the mark a kind of not a strong base. Hold on one second. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, it just kind of looks like this is, the basic shape, if you take a look at the implied lines down here, is forming a triangle towards the bottom. And that kind of gives the illusion that this thing could topple over. So in that respect, this one has a lot more of a firm foundation. But I have an idea, and let me show you my idea to give this a little bit more of a firm foundation. And this is just something I came up really super quick. A couple of things I did. I left your name in that typewriter font. But I changed the bottom font to a Gill Sans, and then I changed the word graphic into a light, and this is a regular Gill Sans. This is Gill Sans Light. So the only thing I'm just trying to illustrate some interest that might be a really interesting combination between the kind of cold typewriter font with the warmth of this modern sans serif. Just to warm it up a little bit, I think using both the typewriter font in both the mark and the word mark, I think it's cold because typewriter is just metal to paper, so therefore it's cold. There's no personality there. So I'm considering maybe suggesting that you change that for that reason, that specifically a typewriter font is considered to be kind of without personality, kind of cold. And that's, of course, left over from the days of the typewriter where it doesn't matter who would type something and it looks the same, identical, no matter who taps the keys, right? So just food for thought here on the horizontal layout, as well as the combination of type here in this configuration. So just food for thought. I think you're doing a fantastic job. Just want to give you another alternative for your consideration. All right, great job, Nicole. Thank you very much.